Imagine a waterfall taller than the world's highest falls, hidden completely underwater. Beneath the Denmark Strait between Greenland and Iceland lies the largest waterfall on Earth. But you can't see it from land because it flows deep beneath the ocean's surface. This massive underwater cascade is called the Denmark Strait cataract. Instead of water falling over rock, this waterfall forms when extremely cold, dense Arctic water sinks beneath warmer Atlantic water. As the heavy water plunges downward, it creates a vertical drop of more than 3,500 meters, or about 11,500 feet. That's roughly 3 times taller than Angel Falls, the tallest waterfall on land. And the scale of this hidden cascade is enormous. Every second, about 5 million cubic meters of water flow downward through the strait. That's roughly the same power as 2,000 Niagara Falls flowing at once. But this underwater waterfall isn't just a strange ocean feature. It plays a critical role in Earth's climate system. As the cold water sinks, it helps drive a massive global circulation system, often called the ocean conveyor belt. This system moves heat, nutrients, and water around the planet. Scientists first discovered the Denmark Strait cataract in the 1960s while measuring temperature and salinity deep in the ocean. Those measurements revealed the dramatic drop happening far below the waves. Even though it's invisible to us, this hidden waterfall helps regulate ocean circulation and influences weather patterns, including the stability of Europe's climate. So deep beneath the ocean, far out of sight, the largest waterfall on Earth has been flowing silently for thousands of years.